Friends, welcome back to my channel Classes for You. Today's video is about divisibility rules. In this video, I will tell how the digits can divisible by that particular number. So, let's see our video. So, come back to our video, that is divisibility rule. Okay, in this we will see first rule for the number 2. In this, for 2, the rule is that you have to see the unit place. The unit place should contain 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If you will find such number in unit place, then we can say the number is divisible by 2. For example, see example. Suppose there is example 2, 4, 6. Okay, this is divisible. Why? Because in units place the number is, the digit is 6, and the rule is also telling that whenever the digit is, that is 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there in unit place, then that particular number is divisible by 2. Or see one more example. If suppose like this question is there 2. Okay, 1, 0, 2. Again you are finding that 2 is in unit place. This is unit place, and in unit place what you are finding, 2 is there. If I say suppose like this example is there 135. Yes, obviously it is wrong. It is not divisible by 2. Why? Because in unit place you are finding the number is 5, and according to our rule the unit place should contain this even number. Okay, so this is for divisibility, that is for 2, that is the rule is for 2. We will see for 3. What is the rule for 3? That whatever the digit is there, suppose 2, 4, and its sum should be multiple of 3. How? See, 2 plus 4. How much? 2 plus 4? 6. So 6 is multiple of 3 again, right? If suppose I take example 105. Okay, again when you add this number 1 plus 0 plus 5, what you are getting? You are getting 6. So again the sum is you are getting 6, and this 6 is multiple of 3. If I say suppose 7 plus 3, that is the number is 73. And I have to find whether 73 is divisible by 3 or not. Then how I will find? We have to add the sum of this digit, that is 7 plus 3. How much I am getting? 10. And 10 is not multiple of 3, so it is not divisible by 3. So this is for rule for 3. The rule is that whatever the digits is there, you have to add that digit, and you have to see whether the result is multiple of that particular number or not. Okay, so this is for 3. We will see for 5. Okay, first we will see for 4. Okay, for 4 the rule is for 4 is that last two digit should be divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 means last two digit. For example, if I say example I am taking, that is 992. Okay, the number is 992. I have to check whether this is divisible by 4. So what I will do? I have to see whether the last two digit is 92. I will check whether 92 is divisible by 4 or not. So 4 2s are 8. Okay, 1 here and here 2 will come, and 4 3s are 12. Yes, I am getting the remainder as 0. It means the number 992 is divisible by 4. Why? Because the last two digit is divisible by 4. So ultimately this digit is divisible by 4. So this is for rule, that is for 4 number. Okay, we will see for 5 also. What says 5? That 5, the rule for 5 is that in unit place 0 or 5 is there, then it is divisible by 5. Example, suppose 100. Yes, obviously, as in unit place 1 is there, so it is divisible by 5. But if I take example as, say, suppose 234, okay, again in unit place you are getting 4, but what my rule says that in unit place there should be 0 or 5, so it is not divisible by 5. So this is for rule 5. Okay, we will see for number 6. Okay, for number 6 we will see. I am telling few only. Okay, for number 6, as we know that 2 multiplied by 3, what you will get 6 only. So for the rule for 6 is that you have to check first the number should be divisible by 2, and then for 3 also, when the number is divisible by both of these, then we can say it is divisible by 6 also. For example, 24. I am taking example as 24. First I will check for 2. Yes, what my 2 rule says that in unit place it should be 4. Okay, yes, it is divisible by 2. Why? Because in unit place I am getting 4. And for 3 I will check. For 3 says that the sum of the digit, that is 2 plus 4, should get how much? 2 plus 4? 6. And 6 is multiple of 3. So it is satisfying both, that is 2 also satisfying this rule and 3 also satisfying. So means ultimately 24 is divisible by 6. Understood? Now we will see for like this 9 also. Okay, for 9 we will see. For 9, again 9 says that the sum of the digit, means when you add the digit, sum of the digit should divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. For example, how much? See, I will take example as suppose 6, then 9, and how much? 3. Okay, this is example. When you add this example, 6 plus 9 plus 3. Okay, so how much it is? 18, right? 18, and 18 is divisible by 9, or 18 we can say multiple of 9. Understood? If say example, one more example, 1, 2, 4. If I take this example, 1 plus 2 plus 4, again how much? 7. It is not divisible by 9, or it is not multiple of 9. So in this way we can say that it is divisible, means the rule for 9 is again that the particular number should be divisible by 9. We will see the last rule, that is for 10. Okay, for 10 we will see 10, again it is easy. What you have to see that for 10 you have to see unit place. In unit place, if you are getting only 0, then it is divisible by 10. For example, if I take 100, suppose 1000, yes, it is divisible. Why? Because in unit place you are getting 0. But if I take like this 105 example, then it is not divisible. Okay, it is not divisible by why? Because in unit place you are getting the example is as in unit place 5, so it is not divisible by 10. Why I am telling this divisibility rule? Because whenever you have to find, whenever you have to check whether the particular number is divisible by that number, then you need this rule. For example, many students get confused whether, suppose there is a example 256, and when they are question is there to find out their LCM or HCF, then for that rule they are always putting some big number like that, 12 or like that. But if they see this unit place, or if they see the divisibility rule, then easily they can put here as 2. Why? Because 2, because in unit place there is 6, and the rule, according to rule, is there if any even number is there, then it is divisible by 2. For finding such big number or LCM, or if that any number is divisible by particular number or not, this divisibility rule is very important, because many students get confused that whether the number is divisible. Suppose if there is question 3 and 9, okay, 3 and 9, okay, and they are not understand whether 39 is divisible by 2 or 3. We can easily, by study this rule, we can easily say that it is not divisible by 2. Why? Because in unit place it is not even number, okay, it is odd number. So obviously we will follow for rule number 3, that is 3 plus 9. We will check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. It is not divisible by 2, we got. How? Because we saw in unit place. Likewise, while studying this divisibility rule, it is very easy for the student to understand whether these digits is divisible by that particular number or not. So please watch this video, share it, subscribe it and like it. Thank you.